Hello guys, how are you? I think everyone is doing good for this June 2023 examinations. Okay, so the previous days I'm getting so much DMs that are how to do the ratio analysis and all. So I thought so. Just put a video in the YouTube, so that will be great helpful who are studying for this June 2023 exams, and also for the further exams also who are very fear of the ratio analysis. So today I'm going to discuss about the ratio analysis. The ratio analysis, I just prepared a method for the ratio analysis for your comfortness. Okay, so what's the method? I call it as 6C methods. I don't know someone is form it or not, but as per my research in the examiner reports and all, I just derived a format for that. It is I call as 6C method. Okay, so what is 6C method is, when you answering a ratio analysis question, you have to remember 6 points, or you have to there is a 6 step to write an ratio analysis for one ratio. Okay, just take an example. If you're calculating PBIT ratio, PBIT, profit before interest and tax, the profitability ratio. Okay, profitability ratio, what is the equation of profitability ratio? PBIT divided by profit before interest and tax divided by revenue into 100. That is the equation for the profitability ratio. How we analyze it? 6 stages. I will tell you just about the 6 stages. The name of the 6 stages is: first stage is calculation, second stage is the comparison, third stage the second stage is the change, then comparison. Actually this is the one stage. Okay, then stage 4 is cost 1, stage 5 is cost 2, and last stage is conclusion. This is I call it as 6C. Okay, so just look into this example. So there is a 2 companies. Okay, they are given to compare 2 companies. The first company is profitability ratio is 20%. Okay, first what you do is you will get some figures, the profit before interest and tax and the revenue figures in the question itself to calculate the second question's profitability, correct? So what you do, you just calculate first. You calculate first using your there will be in the examiner platform, you can see that the examination platform there will be an inbuilt calculator. Okay, you can use that also, or you can use your own calculator. Okay, so when you whatever you use, you have to show your calculations in the answer itself, then only you will get marks. Don't put the answers only, you have to put the working in the answer sheet. Okay, if your PBIT is profit before interest and tax is 4,000 and your revenue is 6,000, you have to write 4,000 divided by 6,000 into 100 in your answer, not only in your mind. Okay, so that's the first stage, calculate. Second stage, change. You have to find the change. So in this example I told you, the first company's or your given company's profit before profitability ratio is 20%. Then you calculated, you found out that your company's profitability ratio or the calculated company's profitability ratio is 40%. So you have to find the change. Actually there is a 100% change. Okay, how you calculate the change? I will tell you the equation: new minus old divided by old. Okay, what is the old or the other company? 20% minus 40% divided by old or that company, which company or already the given company. Okay, that is 20%, correct? So 20 minus 40 divided by 20, so 20 divided by 20 will be 1 into 100 is 100%, correct? So there is a 100% or 100% more profit in the or profitability in the second company, correct? So this is the change and comparison. Okay, this is the change. The change is 100%. Comparison, you just telling a statement that it is 100% more than that company or more than previous year, like that. Okay, that is the second and third stage. Then the fourth stage is cost 1. What is cost 1 means? I will tell you how to write that cost 1. Every equation, okay, whatever the equation you use, if the equation is increasing or the ratio is increasing, there is 2 causes or 2 reasons for that. What are the reasons is, if the profitability ratio is increasing, the reason for that is maybe the PBIT is increased or the revenue is decreased. Okay, so you're telling you're thinking that, oh, for every ratio I have to remember this. Yeah, don't need of that. Actually I will tell you in shortcut. Actually a ratios, okay, there is a divide, there is an dividing sign will be there, okay. The above thing, okay, the numerator, if a equation's numerator is increasing, the ratio will also increase. If a ratio's denominator is decreasing, the ratio will increase. For a ratio will increase in two reasons. What are the reasons? First one, the denominator will increase or the numerator will maybe decrease. Okay, that's the two reasons. So if the ratio is decreased, what you do? The ratio is decreased, what you do? If the ratio is decreased means there will be there may be two reasons. First one, the numerator may be decreased or the denominator may be increased. Okay, reverse. So that's the thing. So you have to explain that. Here in the example, you know that the first company is 20% and the second company is 40%. So it is increased. So what you tell? The cost one, you have to tell that it is caused because of, or caused maybe because of PBIT, profit before interest and tax, may be increased or revenue is maybe decreased. That is the cost one. What is the cost two? You have to tell. What is the cost two? You have to tell is, you have to relate. You know the cost one, correct? Maybe the PBIT is increased or the revenue is decreased. So you have to find a reason for that increase happened in the PBIT or the revenue. There is any statement, okay, the examiner will tell through that question. There is any scenario, you just read thoroughly, you can see or you can find it out any one reason for that, that PBIT increase or the revenue decrease. So you have to, that will be the cost too. Okay, you have to state that. So some students will think that maybe what if the question don't have that scenario, you just use general points, just maybe the industry performance is lower, or maybe the company's management is fault, okay, like that, some point, some general point you just mention it, that opposed to. What you do in the then the sixth stage, the last stage is conclusion. Conclusion means you have to present, or you have to tell that how that change, the 20% to 40% will change, or it will affect in our company. It may be a good effect or bad effect. Okay, maybe the ratio analysis doing for acquisition. Okay, maybe you're finding out the equations of a second company because the first company is planning to acquire this second company, correct? So for that purpose, for in the conclusion, you have to tell that when the company is the A company, this is the A company, okay, this is the planning to acquire the B company. So you have to tell that if A company is acquired the B company, then A company's profit will increase again. Okay, what if the profitability ratio is lower, 20% to 10%? You have to tell that if you acquire the B company, maybe our company's profitability may be decreased. Okay, you have to tell that. Okay, this is the ratio analysis. Okay, this is the all. You have to follow this 6 C's in every ratios. Okay, so some students may be again, okay, maybe some students will get the proper I think everyone got how to do it. Okay, you got a plan to how to do it, but some students will think that okay, we need more practice, or you are thinking that you have to interact with me. Okay, maybe you have some doubts, you may need some clarifications. So for that purpose, I'm conducting an ratio analysis camp, okay, or ratio practice camp on this 27th May, Saturday. Okay, this Saturday we are conducting. So anyone interested, please go to Busch Learning's Instagram page. Okay, Busch Learning's Instagram page, you just go and search Busch Learning in the Instagram. Okay, you will get it. So, and there will be the link for the registration. Just register it and attend the class on time. It will be in the morning session. Okay, 8 o'clock or something, it will be in the morning session. So just meet there. Okay, so you can we can interact and clear all of your doubts. Okay, only for the June 2023. Okay, anyone is watching this for the another session, you just message in the Busch Learning. So our team, okay, or the Busch Learning's teams will contact you. Okay, if there are any doubts, the mentors will contact you. Okay, so study well and crack the exams. Okay, thank you.